India vs New Zealand head-to-head records in one-day international matches. Total matches 120. First match was played on June 14, 1975. India won 62 matches. New Zealand won 50 matches. India lost 50 matches. New Zealand lost 62 matches. 1 matches tied and 7 abandoned. Hundreds comparison. India has 30 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Virender Sehwag, while New Zealand has 24 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Nathan Astle. 50s comparison. India has 122 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Virat Kohli, while New Zealand has 116 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Kane Williamson. Runs comparison. Most runs for India has been scored by Sachin Tendulkar. He has scored 1750 runs, while most runs for New Zealand has been scored by Ross Taylor. He has scored 1385 runs. Highest individual score comparison. Highest score for India has been scored by Shubman Gill. He has scored 208 runs, while most runs for New Zealand has been scored by Tom Latham. He has scored 145 runs. Wickets comparison. Most wicket for India has been taken by Javagal Srinath. He has taken 51 wickets, while most wicket for New Zealand has been taken by Tim Southee. He has taken 38 wickets. Ducks comparison. India has scored 72 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Dilip Vengsarkar, while New Zealand has scored 84 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Brendan McCullum. Best bowling in inning comparison. Best bowling figures for India has been achieved by Mohammad Shami, taken 7 wickets conceding 57 runs, while best bowling figures for New Zealand has been achieved by Shane Bond, taken 6 wickets conceding 19 runs. If you had liked our content, then please like, share and subscribe.